Hi, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're oldie but still goodie, welcome back. It's your girl Everything Key, aka Kiana, and I'm coming to you to do a haul. This is like my biggest haul ever as far as Dollar Tree things. So I did go to Dollar Tree after work today. It's super late, but I wanted to get this video out so I can go ahead and get started on my project. But I bought a lot of things to do DIY Easter baskets for my kids. So I'm just going to show you everything that I got. I did not get to vlog in there because I was trying to get in and get out. So let's just get into it. I have about 6 bags. So we're going to try to make this as fast as possible. If you want to grab a snack and something to drink, girl, go ahead. Okay, now let's just get into the first bag. Is this bag right here. So I'm just going to go as fast as I can. The first thing I got is finger skateboards. It looks like this. This for my oldest son's basket. Comes with the skateboards, wheels, a little baby screwdriver, which is so adorable, and some screws. And here is my receipt as well. So I did spend a total of $51.56. So the next thing I got is these gummy Krabby Patty color candies. These are so good. I absolutely love these. Then I got 4 ring pops. I have this Happy Easter candy to stick in the basket. Then I have this Justice League DC 10 jumbo crayons. I have this watermelon vitamin E lip balm. It looks like this. I got a package of bubbles, the Miracle Bubbles. This is Spill Stopper Anti-Reinvestment. I got this for my baby's basket. These are the bath animals. There's 3 little animals in there, different colors. Then I have another lip balm. This is in cherry flavor. I have this little glow up stick for the flag though. My son saw it and he was like, this is so cool. So I was like, okay, you can get it. So we got this. I have 2 notebooks, but I have more than that. I have these notebooks. I have a black one, you know, just for them to write little notes or anything they want. I also have a blue one. Then I have this Big Fun Book of Colors Strawberry Shortcakes for my daughter. Let me just show you a couple pages. Really cute. Okay. And then I have another little Easter egg full of M&Ms. So that's everything for the first bag. We're going on to the second bag. This second bag. So my son did open this, but I had these super jumbo Easter eggs right here. There were 6 in here, super big. I have some Lifesavers hard candy, the spring mix. And then I have some of this Easter grass to put in the Easter basket to kind of fill it up. I have these Easter eggs. There are 12 in here. I'm going to fill them up with some candy. I have these bracelets for my daughter. They're in the heart shape. They're purple, blue, and pink. Some chewy bunnies. They're sour. The third bag. And in this bag, all I have are 4 different types of baskets. I have a white one, a yellow one, a blue one, and a pink one. These are the baskets that I'm going to use to make their Easter egg baskets. And inside is just a lot of Easter eggs that my son already opened. So, yeah. And I also had in this bag just a ball that I'm going to give to my 4-year-old. And I think that it does light up. Yeah, it lights up. So I thought this would be something he would like. Super bouncy. This is the 4th bag. So in this bag, I have more coloring books. I have this Paw Patrol coloring book. I have 2 of those, 2 different kinds. These are for my younger kids, my 2 younger sons. Oh, and then I have this one, Time to Color, which might be for my daughter as well. I have a bag of Blow Pops, which are really good. I have a bag of decorative purple shredding paper to fill the basket. I have a bag of Crybabies. And this is a new candy I haven't seen, but these are just gummy bunnies. So basically like gummy candy. My son picked out these cars. It's just 3 little bitty cars in here, yellow, red, and blue. I have a pack of batteries. And then I did pick this out for them that has nothing to do with their basket, but this is the Bubble Bath Vitamin E. This is the Paw Patrol kind. It looks like this, and it smells really, really good actually. It smells like strawberry. So I did pick that out for them. And this is 16 fluid ounces, which is a lot of product for $1. Then I just picked out another light in the dark like glow toy for them. And this is in the shape of an axe. This is the 5th bag. So in this bag, I just have some more Easter grass in a green. I kind of got something for me. I saw this. It's Holly's Inbox. Scandal in the City. Good news travels fast. Office gossip even faster. And it's just a book. Super, super thick. I thought it would be interesting to read, so I did pick it out. I'm going to read it and tell you all what I thought about it, because I've never purchased a book from the Dollar Tree. I have this pink notebook for my daughter. And then I picked out these Skittles just to fill an egg. I have these 2 carrot bubbles. I have some jumbo colored crayons in the Frozen brand. Some bunny Sour Patches. I saw this cool little pen. I thought I would get it for my oldest son. This is a Ninja Turtles. It's just 6 different colors. And then I got one for my son as well, my 4-year-old. I have the SpongeBob for him. And then I have this little glow in the dark glow toy. I also got this car for my 1-year-old, the Monster Truck. Thought he would like that. Okay, so this is the last bag. This is the 6th bag in the last bag. So I have a bag of eggs. And then I have another bubble. I think I'm going to give the bubbles to my 2 youngest kids. Yeah, I'm not sure yet. Then I saw the cards again. So I got one for my youngest and one for my baby. I saw this cute little pen and I thought my daughter would love it. She's super girly when she wants to be. So this is just a furry pen and it has a lot of different rainbow colors. Really, really cute, girly for her. I have some pink grass for her basket. I got another Monster Truck for my son. I have Mickey Mouse Jumbo crayons. I got more batteries. Another pack of cards. So I got like 3 packs of cards. It's like, dang. Oh, but I do have 3 sons, right? And then I do have another one of these in the purple kind. Then I have another glow up. I have more batteries. And the last thing that I have, which I didn't put this in here, so I know they did, is some Double Crisp. There's some chocolate eggs. So those are all the things that I got from the Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree that I went to, it was kind of empty. They didn't have as much stuff as I saw on other Dollar Tree hauls, which a lot of Dollar Trees are lacking. But this is all the stuff I have. I'm going to do a video when I do begin to make their baskets, just so you can see how I make their baskets, like my process. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to visit me on Instagram at Music44. But until next time, peace.